The trade of the day within the property sector. Kundayi, let's hear it from you, sir.
I think in this time, as a general view, the market is looking more attractive than it has in a while. I just want to make a point that what we look at as well as Sesfikile Capital is, on a long-term basis, what is the market offering you on IRR basis relative to bonds? Bonds right now give you around 7.3 yield. Listed property gives you a 7.2 yield. But if you look at a yield versus the bond yield, you're actually not comparing like on like. What you need to look at is what is property giving you on a 10-year IRR versus what bonds are giving you. So we've done some numbers with very conservative assumptions on a 10-year space, and we think that property will probably be able to give you around 12 to 14% IRR at current levels. With the risk profile where listed property sits, we don't think that this is justified. So we think that this is a good time to get into the market.
And which stock are we going with?
The rule is we've got to go for one that we're talking about tonight. We don't have to go huge into it. The two stocks which we can talk about in terms of what's available on the platform for some reason are Acucap and Emira. The others, Resilient, would be great, but it's not there.
Kundayi was so negative on Emira.
Exactly, we wouldn't want to be there, and I'm not really somebody that likes to go short stocks unless you have a compelling theory about it. In any event, the overall sector, let me just restate that succinctly. There's been this like shockwave in global markets. Yields have spiked on income generative assets. I think that's an overreaction. I think people are going to calm down and realize Bernanke isn't going to do anything rash anytime soon, so that you still need to go looking for growth opportunities. You need to go out into the world, including the South African property sector. So I would anticipate the prices rising, the yields settling back down again. So you want to be long these stocks. Acucap
Gentlemen,
is
you
on
are
the
taking
platform.
such a long... You said it. I was wondering whether we were ever going to hear
so let's go long Acucap and see whether we can capture that thing getting back to something approximating.
All right. Kundayi, you happy?
Happy with that. It's a sector.